Hey guys, pigeon guy here. Been a long time since I made a video, guys. This is the young birds. Look at that grizzle now. Yeah, guys. So yes, someone who did comment. He wants to see the grizzle's wing, and yeah, we'll show that in another video, or maybe a short. Don't know, but yeah. Anyways, guys, let's look at the baby. Yes, some guys. Let me just look at them, guys. Cute, and they are big. Look at here, guys. It's been a while since I had like this kind of chicks. It's been a while. But they look great. As you can see, they just been fed, guys. Look at that. What is that on there? Okay. They're lazy now because they are full. Okay. But anyway, yeah, guys. It's there. There's also a baby. So what did I did here is like, what did I do here is like, I switch the babies up. So baby there. Sibling is here, and I threw the eggs away. So yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, they are. There's still eggs here. So yeah, guys, but we getting there. We getting there. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Another grizzle there. Nice one. This one also. But yeah, guys, that's what's going on here. So okay, there's also a red here. Other type of red though. Never had the red like this before. Look at that. Beauty, guys. Anyways, stay tuned for more, guys, and yeah, guys, stay tuned for more, and have a great one.